My name is CJ Granson, and I'm a professional astrologer. And there's some interesting things I've seen around this Charlie Kirk assassination from an astrological point of view that I think you guys might find very interesting. So first off, this is not the exact location of where he was, but it's the same time zone. Not the exact time, but pretty close. He was killed after a little bit 12 p.m. point in time. But look over here. The outer ring is the astrology chart of the day he got shot. The inner ring is his birth chart. So look, the midheaven, which represents the top point of the sky, the head of the sky, conjunct Venus, which we'll touch on right after, which is very interesting. His midheaven was, the midheaven of the sky was squaring his Scorpio aspects. Mercury in Scorpio and Pluto in Scorpio. Pluto being the planet of death, revenge, but also transformation, because death can be transformation. And I think it is prominent because right before he got shot, he was asked a question about transgenders in mass shootings. And right when answering the question, bop, he got popped. Right in front of everybody. The midheaven rules like your reputation, the public stage, how everybody sees you. And he was seen in public, broad daylight too. Leo, the ruling by the sun, broad daylight. And it's squaring his Pluto and Mercury. He was talking, Mercury, ruling speech and communication, about transgenderism, Pluto. And that square, while he was talking about that, is when he got assassinated, which is very, very interesting. Not to mention that the midheaven is opposing his Saturn. Saturn being, a planet of boundary restriction, but also your reputation. So reputation and then it's in Aquarius. How you, who you associate with, the groups that, and the thought, school of thought that you associate with, that being in public display. So this is his natal Saturn opposing the midheaven of what it was that day. And then not to mention Mars, the transiting Mars, where Mars was being in conjuncting right on his sun and his Jupiter. Mars, the planet of war, the planet of aggression, of attack, was right on his sun the moment he got killed. In astrology, this is pretty interesting. Now, going back to the Venus, this makes me think that there may have been something, because